27th, and I thought I'd give kind of a little bit of an update. I picked up a few items to kind of get Horseshoes and Hand Grenades back up and running, and I thought I'd unpack them, and why not film it while I do that. Let's get this laptop out of the way here. Let's see. Good old Amazon Prime sticker. Okay, so I got a box inside a box. All right. I always suck. Let's get this one open. But before unpacking, there we go. Nice little Mackie. It's got tape on the edges. So that's the new heart that's going to power this thing. It's a nice 16-channel mixer. This one should have the digital USB. Should say it on somewhere. God, I hope so. Yep, USB I/O. So this is USB, so I can record straight to it like a sound card, hopefully. Let's see what we got inside here. Oh my God, it's a lot bigger than I thought it'd be. I thought this was going to be like mostly packing. Holy. Oh. Oh, come on. Yeah. Wow. I did not expect this to be this large. Because I had this grand idea that I was gonna just run this on like this little stool. Like I was gonna just stick it right on there and then be able to do some work over on the other side without having to like have this big console set up. But I guess I should have looked at the measurements first. Oops. So that looks. I like it. I like it a lot. Manual, some good reading material. How do I open this? How do I open it? Oh, it's sealed. Okay. This kind of puts the size of my past one to like shame. The last one I had was probably like that big. This one is definitely stepping it up a size. Remember, people, don't put your babies in these things. They'll die. I always wonder, like, do Chinese people think we're crazy? Do they think we're carrying around babies in that kind of thing? I love it, I love it, I love it. I am going to have a lot of fun with that. Okay, these should be the two boom or mic cranes. Let's get one of these opened up. Looks like I'm not hoping for a lot on these. Don't think they'll be really great and wonderful, but maybe it'll surprise me. Okay. a standard looking thing. Alright, let's get the cable out of the way. So it comes with a piece of cable, that's kind of nice. Okay, once I loosen this, does it just spring and hit me in the face? It's kind of small. I guess I was hoping for a little more than that, but I guess, there we go. If I loosen that one, oh, they're both loose, why don't they move? Why doesn't this one move? Oh, okay, there we go. Oh yeah, there's an arm. There's the mount for it. And then it comes with a nice little shock mount. So I got a new shock mounts, which black on black. Can you see it? It's kind of small in diameter. It's not very big. Maybe I can fit the mics in there. I don't know. So yeah. So hopefully this stuff will let me do some fun mounting. I'm gonna see if the mic will fit in that. All right, here's one of the old AKG Precision 100s that I've had for years. Let's see if it'll fit. Oh, it's gonna be tight if it does. Which I guess might be a good thing. Oh my god. I don't think it's made for a mic this big. Which concerns me, because maybe it won't be able to hold up the weight. Well, it's kind of in there. It's not super. The whole thing's really extended beyond what I think I'd like to see. But I think it'll work, at least to begin with. Can change it out if it need be. Makes me wonder if this mic stand will hold the weight up then. Well, let's find out. I was hoping, again, to use something like this to just mount all the mics to distribute them throughout the room. Oh my, come on. I can see a problem with that already. Let's see if this mic arm will support the weight of all of that. Still on, good. Okay. Does this not turn? Okay, that doesn't turn. I was like, why won't it turn? Oh, this turns, okay. And then it comes off, which is horrible. Okay. Okay, so I guess I can't loosen. Guess I can't loosen this end piece here, this end nut, without it falling apart. Not the best, but you know what? You gotta start somewhere. If it doesn't work out, then I know. Seems to be supporting it. Moves around pretty decently, I guess. Need to work on that a little bit. But yeah, that might work. That might just work. So that's the stuff I got. I'm gonna have to keep collecting and building, but that's the stuff I've gotten so far, and I think I have most of the stuff I need. We'll find out as I go.